Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get dual exhaust with a backup camera. We got a nice little roof spoiler, silver and black accents on this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle as well, which is perfect for those cold winter months. Isn't that nice? Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, 12-volt hook, and you do get more storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do is hit this button right here, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with the carpeted interior. Got plenty of door space. We got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 60,739 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, phone, media, volume and voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get, my view, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes with auto stop and start, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console with even more storage with dual climate up front, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You do get your hazards, media controls, your drive modes, eco, normal, sport, slippery. But we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8117, and you can head on to the PG Ford or give us a call.